Hey guys, it is Tuesday here again in West Virginia, and today we're doing a couple of Autoworld cars for our 2 for Tuesday unboxing. We're taking a look at the Mitsubishi Starion. I think a while back we unboxed a Chrysler Conquest, which they were calling the Dodge Conquest. So same car pretty much, just different name. Mitsubishi shared a lot of their mid-size or subcompact size cars with Chrysler throughout the 70s, 80s, and 90s, such as the Plymouth Arrow and the Dodge Colt, probably the most famous ones from the 70s drag racing pro stock and funny car. So anyways, this is the Starion. For the American car enthusiast, this is known as your Dodge Conquest or Chrysler Conquest, how I know it. They were calling it Dodge Conquest with Autoworld. So I'm not sure if Dodge took over the nameplate or what the deal was, but I always remembered it as the Chrysler Conquest. But this is Mitsubishi Starion, so let's drop the Mopar stuff now. So anyways, this is the 1987 Mitsubishi Starion. This is versions A and B. So we'll start with A, which is the silver color one. So this is called Pelmo Gray Poly. And this is your fun facts. So Chrysler and Mitsubishi partnered together to develop the Mitsubishi Starion. And it's twin the Dodge Conquest. Once again, I think it was Chrysler, but that's just my opinion. I thought it was Chrysler. The Starion produced 168 horsepower, which was over 50 horsepower more than its main rivals from Mazda, Honda, and Toyota. So pretty cool. And this is just limited edition. Once again, nowadays they don't put numbers, so we have no idea how many they're producing. It's still more limited than Hot Wheels, I would say. So anyways, collect all 6 in this release. So the bottom muscle is this guy here, the Mitsubishi Starion. Then we had the Mighty Minivans, the 1985 Plymouth Voyager, the counterpart to the Dodge Caravan that we've seen a few months back. And then the Sport Utility, the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Moab, new parts tooling. We did that one with its counterpart. There was an orange one and a green one. We unboxed those for you guys. Then the muscle trucks, the 85 Chevy Silverado Fleet Side and Vintage Muscle, the 66 Oldsmobile, and the 69 Pontiac Firebird. So let's get this guy off the card and take a look at him. And as I've mentioned, you can just see how the tear is open very nicely. It doesn't tear the paper. I don't know if it's the glue they use or the paper that they use that surpasses the quality of Hot Wheels premium stuff. Because Hot Wheels premium cars just get ripped up really bad when you open them. But the mainline stuff, because it's not a glossy card, you can use the nail polish remover to loosen the glue and then pop them open. But the premium stuff you can't. So whatever they're doing at round 2 for the Autoworld and Johnny Lightning stuff is really good, because you could, as I always point out, just close it up. It doesn't even look like it was open. So pretty cool. So anyways, this is a very nicely detailed casting. Excuse me. And I always point out, I love the castings now that they're putting the mirrors on. Very nice touch to detail. And then you can see all the chiseled body lines here. Very nicely done. Looks like pretty accurate wheels. And the front end with the flip-up headlights. Very cool. The hood does open, but trying to get it to pop open is a little bit tough. I don't have a piece of plastic PVC that I usually use to get it open. Maybe the black one will participate a little bit better than this one. So yeah, nice taillight Starion on the plate. Nice detail on the taillights, third brake light. Nice detailed chassis. Very cool car. So, this is the counterpart, the black one, and this is called Serbia Black. And let's see if the fun facts are any different. So, this is the first release of this casting as a Mitsubishi Starion. So, they're letting you know that they did do the Dodge Conquest, or Chrysler, whatever you want to call it. So, the Starion had an under square cylinder design with a stroke longer than its bore, making more torque than horsepower. Peak torque was reached at only 2,500 RPM. Wow. So it's probably pretty quick and peppy right off the line. So the back of the card is going to be the same as the other one, so we're not going to take a look at that. We're just going to get him out and move right along here and see if his hood will open a little easier for me. Give me just a second, guys. I'll see if I can find a little piece of the plastic from one of my brake rods, and I don't think I can, to make it quick. So anyways, maybe better luck next time, I guess. Unless I can use a blister to go down in that body line and finagle that hood open. But I don't think I can. I don't know why. That's pretty tough. Yeah, some of these cars are hard to get the hoods open, but once you get them open once, they're not so bad the next time. So as you can see, the body lines are not as well highlighted as they are on that Palmo Gray. But the marker lights and stuff are a little bit more visible. Tail lights and such are a little bit more visible. Yeah, plate still says Starion on that. But yeah, fantastic looking car. Fantastic looking car. Yeah, very nice detail. Yeah, front end's not so well highlighted with everything as it is on the gray one. But really cool looking little car. So that is it for our 2 for Tuesday, guys. I'm not sure if I'll be back before Friday for our Free of Friday. So if not, have a great week, and I'll see you this weekend. So thanks for watching, guys.